Hey everyone, Santa Claus here in one of Santa's wood shops. I want to do this quick video to give a giant shout out to the Resident Alien Fan Facebook Club. All of you have been very good boys and girls this year. For all of you that might be in Jersey seeing all these drones running around, don't worry. A lot of you think it's aliens, but it's not. It is actually me just testing out our new delivery system throughout Jersey. We're testing out drones this year because we believe they'll be way more efficient than the sleigh through previous years. So we've been testing out these drones, and their test results are very, very good. So we're going to be using drones this year to deliver all the presents, but trust me, it's not aliens. But let me introduce you guys to one of the new pilots for these drones. Ralph, come in, buddy.
Hi everybody, Ralph here.
So we're going to be delivering the presents throughout the night, but I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'll see you all next year. Bye-bye!